In this video, we show you how to get started with Crystal Reports to create QuickBooks reports using QuickQube. We are assuming you have properly implemented QuickQube and that you have successfully synced your data a first time. The QuickQube configuration tool contains over 200 examples for 6 different applications, including Crystal Reports. Some of you may be thinking that Crystal Reports is an ancient technology. Well, the answer is yes. They have been around for almost 35 years, but it still is the only report writing application which allows you pinpoint layouts. Secondly, you can use a report viewer such as one created by one of our QuickBooks certified solution providers, Datisfy, to just press a button and all of your reports come out. There is still a high demand for use of this product for report forms that some owners in some cases have been looking at for decades. Each application section contains an example for each one of the 35 data models available in QuickBooks. A data model is a complete cube of information covering a specific QuickBooks topic or business subject, as opposed to a raw connector which requires learning about tables, relationships, mapping documents, and QuickBooks data dictionaries. QuickBooks has everything put together with dozens of additional measures that QuickBooks does not have, and hundreds of additional measures in Power Pivot or Power BI. Many are unique and all-encompassing, such as sales, purchases, inventory, payroll, and job cost. A good number of our data models deal with various options for financial statements and things like cash flow and trial balance activity. And some are accountant-based, such as general ledger detail and profit and loss detail and fixed assets. There is a video link below where we discuss the data models in more detail. For now, the thing to remember is that one data model does not depend upon another, and you would never tie one to another unless you are trying to do something that QuickBooks does not do or store underneath the hood. Let's open up a profit and loss data model for Crystal Reports. If we go look at the database, we can see the connections already made and the relationship is already created. In any one of these examples, you have one fact table which contains all of the measures, and then of course you have linked dimensions. Dimensions are list or maybe document attributes, align attributes. This one has account and company. Other financial statements may include class, and then we have some that includes job or job and class. Closing out of the data model, we see in the Field Explorer the actual fields that are available that you can drag and drop into your canvas. And in the financial statement examples, we already take care of the hierarchies for accounts and things like that, so it just makes it a lot easier. Literally, you're dragging and dropping what you need into this particular report, and the formatting and the heavy lifting have already been done for you. Let's run this particular example. And we'll pick November. Let's just use all of these for now. We'll leave the defaults. And you see that the report itself comes up pretty quickly. Realize that these are just examples. You can formulate these any way you want. You can add formulas. You can do different formatting. That's up to you. That's the power of Crystal. But you'll find that for each data model in QuickBooks, we have a starter example so that you don't have to start from scratch. That's it. This concludes our video about creating QuickBooks reports and Crystal Reports using QuickBooks.